Today I will teach the very first chapter of class 9 from NCERT book, which is the French Revolution. So first we will start with the story that what was the background of the revolution. In 1774, King Louis XVI of Bourbon family, he ascended the throne of France, and after ascending the throne, he found that the treasury was totally empty. Moreover, he was very ignorant about the state of people of France, and the cost of maintaining the extravagant palace of Versailles was very high. So the only way out at that time was to impose taxes on the people of France. Moreover, under Louis XVI, France has also helped 13 American colonies to gain independence from their very common enemy, Britain. So the France economy was further crippled. And at that time, the position in France was that the social state in France was such that France was divided into 3 estates. So we will see in what estates France was divided. France was divided into 3 estates at that time. The first estate, the second estate, and the third estate. To the first estate belonged the clergy. Clergy meant the priest at that time. And to the second estate belonged the nobility. And to the third estate belong the businessman, landlords, peasants, factory owners, etc. So France was worst hit by the system of feudalism at that time. So the people of first and second estate, they enjoyed all the privileges, while the people of third estate, they had to face a lot of problem because they had to bear the whole burden of the economy. They were forced to pay taxes, while the people of first and second estate were exempted from paying any sort of taxes. Moreover, in France, the population also increased to a large extent. The population of France had increased from 23 billion in 1715 to 28 billion in 1789. But simultaneously, the productional activities of France did not increase. So the prices of food increased to a large extent. Moreover, France was worst hit by a famine. Okay, and next, what was the situation in France? At that time, a new class emerged in France. Those were called the middle class. And they believed that the people of France, they should enjoy all sorts of privileges, not on the basis of their birth, but they should enjoy privileges on the basis of their merit or social status. Okay, and moreover, at that time, there was another problem in France, that is, the king himself could not impose taxes on the people of France. In order to impose taxes, the king required the decision of both of the 3 estates, the first estate, the second estate, and the third estate. So what the king did? The King Louis XVI now called a meeting of the Estate Generals Assembly. Okay, in this Estate General Assembly meeting, the people of the member of the 3 estates were required to be present. But what happened in this meeting? In this meeting, the people of first 2 estates, they seated opposite to each other, but the people of third estate, they were forced to stand at the back, and this infuriated the people of third estate. Okay, so now what they wanted? Now they wanted that the people of third estate, now up to this time, the situation in France was such that for every estate there was only 1 vote per estate. But now what they wanted, that each people in each estate will have 1 vote. Okay, and they were inspired by the policies of philosophers like Ross or John Locke at that time. Thank you.